Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really fast and easy dish that you can serve at your house anytime, especially when it's warm and summery out. Today we're going to make a Cuban quesadilla. So I think everyone has had a Cuban sandwich. This is an easy take on it, and your friends are going to love it. So let's start with what components we have. Like a good Cuban, you got to have a great ham, you've got to have Swiss cheese, you've got to have some pickle, definitely some mustard, and lastly, I'm using some smoked pulled pork, okay? I'm going to use a burrito wrapper, right? It's a big 12-inch flour tortilla. And what we're going to do is we're going to start by placing the cheese down first. Now, the key to a good quesadilla is plenty of cheese, right? No one's ever going to complain about having too much cheese. And what you want to do is cover the whole quesadilla with cheese. So this way, now we know the cheese is going to melt and it's going to hold the sandwich together. Okay, so next I'm going to take some mustard. I'm going to take some of my pickles, but I'm only going to put pickles on half of the tortilla, and I'll explain why in a minute. Next, we're going to take the ham. See, we're going to fold this tortilla over to make the quesadilla as opposed to putting another flour tortilla on top. Why I like doing that, it's a lot easier to handle, especially when you're putting it on the grill. Next, we're going to place our ham. And notice I'm placing the ham only on one side. Then you're going to top it with your pulled pork. Then what we're going to do is take our tortilla and we're just going to fold it in half, like that. You want to press down on it, right? But you can see it's a very thick quesadilla. This is going to be fantastic when it's done. So my grill is set medium high. I want this to slowly cook and toast, and we're going to be turning it over halfway through the cooking. What you're looking for is you want all the ingredients inside to be hot, and you want the cheese to be melted and holding the sandwich together. So let's bring it on over to the grill. Now, you got to watch the grill carefully because you want to make sure the tortilla doesn't burn, but still it has enough heat to melt all the ingredients. And again, the key is to keep turning, rotating, and flipping the quesadilla so that you make sure it cooks evenly, the cheese is melted, and you get some nice crispiness on the top and the bottom of your quesadilla. Okay, so I think our quesadilla is ready to come off the grill. Now, as you can see, we've got some nice toasty grill marks on it. Our cheese is melted inside. It's a really, really big quesadilla. And now we're ready to plate up. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our plate. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into triangles. Okay, I think what I'm going to do here is do 5. So I'm going to cut one on this side like that. Then the rest, I'm going to cut this one in half. And then in half again. Same thing with this one. You can see this is a big, meaty quesadilla. And then I'm just going to shingle these slices on our plate. Now, as you can see, our quesadilla is really big. You can see all the layers. And now the last thing we're going to do to finish this off, because every quesadilla needs a little bit of sour cream. So I'm going to put a dollop of sour cream right here in the corner of the plate. And then I'm going to take a little bit of our Florida mojo spice. It's a mix of cumin and citrus. And I'm just going to lightly dust this over the sour cream just to give it a little bit more push. And there you have it. a grilled Cuban quesadilla. Enjoy.